The shipyard of Haco has become a key player in the international naval scene. Created since 2004, Haco started with a small team as an exporting company. However, during the startup phase, Haco faced major challenges like forming a naval team for construction, which is a very demanding activity as it is hard to find experienced and qualified workers in terms of precision. The very first stages of the project creation needed a lot of patience and perseverance. We started with only 52 employees in 2014 to become 270 today, and we are estimated to have around 400 employees in 2022. After 15 years of hard work and stamina, we reinforced our know-how skills. Haco is divided into 8 main teams, namely the production operators, production supervising team, production direction, stock management and supply chain, HSQE service, methods office, administrative and financial direction. Last but not least, the control management, which includes architect and civil engineers. Haco partnership with Katana Group in 2015, which is a French group listed on the stock exchange and the owner of Katana and Bali brands, allowed us to consolidate both Haco as a company and the international presence of Katana Group. After launching the Bali 4.1 model, a cruising catamaran of 12 meters in late 2015, Haco has proved itself within Katana Group by increasing the level of production to 1 boat every 4 days. It is mainly important to also mention that the objectives of the upcoming years are very prominent in terms of production growth, especially that we aim to produce 1 boat every 2 days in 2020. At the beginning of 2020, we are aiming at producing a new Bali model exclusively built in Tunisia. This requires important means extension in Hawaria's factory. Thus, new buildings are now under construction in order to extend the production area from 10,000 to 16,000 square meters of buildings. In order to meet these objectives, new jobs are created on the level of production operators as well as on the level of supervising.
I have been working with Haco for 15 years now. Before, I was a carpenter. I had no previous experience in assembly work, and today I have become the assembly department supervisor. I've developed several technical skills at Haco as I served in different industrial positions. I started my career with this company since its creation, and I've developed my line of work with it. Now, I transmit the knowledge I gained to the newly hired staff. What I love the most here is the teamwork spirit. We all help each other, managers, supervisors, and workers.
The operators are recruited upon their professional competencies. After that, they are being trained by the most experienced personnel. Seniors are recruited upon the job description requirements, and many of them join the team after having interesting experiences in international companies. Haco employees frequently travel to the other sites for field visits to empower their knowledge.
It's been 2 years since I started working with Haco. I was a private school teacher until I joined the team. I've spent 3 months as a probationary period. I'm now responsible for the molding lamination process. Our job consists of a lot of concentration and precision to deliver a product of high quality. Communication between our team, supervisors, and other constructive teams is both simple and positive. We are lucky to work in such good conditions. They even offer us security insurance, transportation, and salary bonuses to encourage us.
Hawaria's site is today a leader in Katana Group in terms of innovational technologies in the polyester sector. Also, the shipyard is functioning 16 hours a day, 2 under 8 permanent since June 2018. Due to hard work, Haco team improved the capacity of the Tunisian shipyard and responded to the qualitative and increasing demands. Haco will rapidly deliver a finalized product every 2 days and 120 pieces per year. The total production of all combined products will raise to 150 boats per year. Since 2004, Tunisian suppliers are privileged for Haco. More local partners are being solicited to deliver us the components related to boats. Today, we have several Tunisian partners: an electric beam manufacturer, a cushion and mattress upholstery supplier, a machining company, a forming company, 3 mold-making companies, and a sanitary ware manufacturer. Haco has a rigorous social and environmental policies. It is scrupulous about security and comfort norms. There is an HSE manager, hygiene, security, and environment manager who daily makes sure that employees are working in a healthy environment.
Haco is committed to taking the required measures to protect its workers from occupational risks. This is done through the collective protective equipment. We have mandatory safety shoes in all workshops and appropriate suits also mandatory for operators who handle chemicals. The safety personnel at Haco is represented by the HSE manager and the occupational health department under the supervision of a physician.
On the other hand, each person in Haco is concerned and responsible for quality. Also, the quality department watches over respecting the production specifications. The bulk boats are being transported by road from El Hawari's factory to Sidi Dawood Harbor. And thanks to the precious collaboration of the APIP, boats are being launched and prepared for delivery. Customers, thus, can receive their boats from Sidi Dawood Harbor and they head to their desired destination by sea. Boats produced in Tunisia are present all over the world, in Japan, the United States, Australia, Europe, and the Mediterranean basin. Haco proudly promotes Tunisian colors. Katana Group presence in Tunisia consolidates its competitiveness within the international market. The synergy between the 2 French sites and the Tunisian site of Katana Group is strong and contributes to this amazing international project's success. The know-how in terms of naval construction in Tunisia is no longer a dream, it has become a reality, and this is thanks to people who know how to unite around strong values despite of the cultural differences. Last but not least, Katana Group is now a major company in the global catamaran market, and today it is internationally ranked as the 3rd. Haco has really contributed for Tunisia.